Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your past transactions to friends only. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who only want their friends to see their past transactions instead of the public. How do you actually go ahead and change it so that only your friends see your past transactions? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that we're going to log onto our Venmo account, and then you're going to click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to go ahead and click on privacy. Next, under privacy, you're going to click on past transactions, and then you're going to click on change to friends. So once you change it to friends, you're going to see a prompt here that says change the audience of your past transactions that are public to friends. So click on change to friends. So that right there, your past public transactions will now only be visible to friends. It may take a few minutes for all of your transactions to update to this newest audience setting. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your past transactions to friends only. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.